Manor von BARRON. Manor von BARRON is a spooky haunted house theme park ride. It was home to Samuel von BARRON, one of the world's greatest villains. He travelled the globe in search of ancient artifacts to steal for his collection. But perhaps he stole too much. After von BARRON snatched the Rugi Ruby, Pharaoh Hotep cursed his manor for 1,000 generations. Enter if you dare. The Idol of Everest. Snatched from an Everest mountain temple, it is said that the tendrils reach out into the unknown. It also makes a great coat rack. The Organ of CATARINO. One of the only items within the manor that wasn't stolen from an ancient site or burial tomb. The Organ of CATARINO was custom built in Portugal at von BARRON's instruction. Intended to scare off unwelcome visitors with its haunting overtones, rumour has it he mostly used it to play TV show theme songs. The heads of Anubis. Airlifted out of the temple of Anubis. Supposedly, they are just for decoration. That's it. That's all. Nothing spooky here. The face of the Sphinx. The very first Egyptian item that the Baron stole. The entire manor was built around it. You'd pick a fountain or something, wouldn't you? The escape plan. Von BARRON lined the face of the Sphinx with dynamite just in case any curses came along with it. The Orb of OGEL. A prototype for the mind control super weapon used by the evil OGEL Empire. The Golden Dingus. As von BARRON reached out for the Golden Dingus, the Yeti suddenly appeared and ate his left hand. The Box of Junk. A heavy, dusty box of junk. And a faded sticker that says, "I love trash." The Forbidden Skeleton. Some say Sam Sinister's car exploded while running from the law, leaving only his skeleton and top hat behind. The Portrait of Samuel von BARRON. A portrait at first glance, but also the source of the Manor von BARRON curse. Von BARRON commissioned the portrait shortly after securing his greatest possession, the Rugi Ruby. But, as the portrait was finished, a strange glow started emanating from the ruby, trapping von BARRON within the mummy's curse, doomed to listen to the Pharaoh Hotep's terrible jokes until he was slowly driven mad. The portrait still glows mysteriously today, generations later. The Madman's Elevator. How's my elevator to nowhere? It has its ups and downs. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the way I've done this review. I wanted it to be different. I wanted to do a speed build pull apart down instead of the speed build up. I wanted to give you all the stories of the parts of the house, just to it sells the fun atmosphere. It was built for an amusement park, so why not kind of just continue with the theme and have a bit of fun with it. But I absolutely enjoyed it. It has been an amazing build. I don't build very many modulars, so to speak. This will fit nicely in any much city you can imagine. And if you've got the roller coaster, the carousel, the Ferris wheel, this will sit even better amongst your own theme park as well. A huge shout out to the team at AG Lego and all their certified stores across Australia and New Zealand. Follow them here. I'll put the website up. Don't forget to go and follow them on Instagram as well. And just so they know that you guys watch my videos, give them a message and say, hey, we loved the video on the haunted house that Billsy built. But if you do want to grab your own, if you're umming and ahhing and thinking about getting it, don't even question it. Go out and buy it now. Get online and buy it now. It's a really, really cool set, and it's really good value for money as well. You would have seen in the video over the back corner there, obviously with most Lego sets, you get a lot of extra spare 1x1 parts. It's pretty standard. Got a couple of extra jewels over there, and I think I had one extra 2x2 brick as the biggest piece. So overall, it was a weapon of a build. And like I said, I like when Lego build a set and then you can hide more stories inside and amongst that set. So this one ticked all my boxes. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope the flashing and the strobing and the lightning at the start didn't give you too much of a blinding headache. But my name is Billsy, and I'll see you in the next video.